Dishwasher, can you please get off, Rebecca? 8 minutes left. I put it on spin mode if you did not. Can you please get off? Spy tag online. He just keep oofing in my washing machine. I should move my washing machine. 41 seconds equal to. Whoa, can you please stop? I just joined. I'm sorry. They just. Here I want you on this one with the person so I won't forget about. I can hear you. Well, just get off. You know about the wall? I was trying to get you. In every second? Almost not every second. I would also. That's so loud. Oh, that's so loud. Whoa, someone just. You must hitting our you. So that's not one. Why does it look like a box? Then. Whoa! Get off! I know about this. It's just about that. Luca. 31. Ika, don't be like Luca. He keep oofing. He's trying to annoy. Whoa, get off. You always will know. Here, I'm probably going to do a spin race. Should I do a spin race? Yeah, I should. I mean, the lowest will mostly will win. Can someone just please stop starting the washing? It does not take a long time to finish its cycle. I don't even know what the end cycle looks like. I would probably, if I hear, but I would know. Stop! You push me! You want to know what? I'm going to. I'm sorry. There's the reason why. Okay, it's been 2 minutes. Yeah, 2 minutes left. Okay. Been 4 minutes. That was so. Oh, can someone just please stop? They're so loud. Oh, they want me to leave that space. Yeah, that's fine, yours. I should join a less person instead of because that way they won't make all that noise. You probably will not hear. You're really annoying. There we stop. Good. I definitely need to hear it. Yeah. Yeah. It will probably slow down. Going to slow down. How long was this? 5 minutes? I thought it was an 8. But that 8 minutes is 5 minutes. That is not so long. No one make a time. Like, why is it reversing? What is it trying to do? It's 6 minutes now? What is it doing? You know what? Make it? Let me finish it. Okay? Only for you. Why building? What are you doing? That's why I comment. Imagine hearing this bang, and while you're sleeping. That would probably wake you up. How was it? It was good.